Welcome. If you've ever received an unwanted or inappropriate message in a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you're using your PC, this guide is for you. Today, you'll learn the latest steps to report a message from a group conversation, helping keep your online experience safe and positive. Start by opening your browser and navigating to X. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen and click on Messages. This will take you to all your direct and group conversations. Now, find the group chat where you received the message you want to report. Click on the group to open the conversation. Scroll through the chat until you locate the specific message that concerns you. Here's the key step. Move your mouse over the message you want to report. When you hover over it, you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to the message. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Report Message. X will then guide you through a series of prompts to help you specify what issue you're reporting. You'll be asked to choose the reason, such as whether the message is abusive, harmful, or violates the platform's rules in another way. Take a moment to provide any additional information requested. Being specific helps the review process. After you submit your report, X will review the message and take appropriate action, if necessary. You might also receive recommendations for further steps to ensure your safety and comfort on the platform. Reporting inappropriate messages in group chats is a powerful way to contribute to a safer and more respectful community. Don't hesitate to use these tools whenever you encounter something that doesn't belong. Thanks for following along. Stay informed, stay safe, and make the most of your time on X.